And these cats are weak. It makes sense. I haven't even upgraded them to Macho Cat yet. I don't need the cat cannon. Yeah. Wow. What was that? I feel like I'm using the cat CPU right now. Get out of my way. This is so slow. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. I wanna get speed up. Awesome. Not upgrading. This is so slow. Also, the reason I'm doing this is because I lost my account, so I guess it would be fun to just speedrun the EOC Chapter 1. Oh, treasure. I'll be right back. Let me go link my account. Account linked. No. Yes. Wait. Gosh. Dude, why is this slower than usual? Oh my gosh, dude, I can't even upgrade because my wallet isn't big enough. Also, isn't that's strange. Guys, please take a picture of this because my wallet's only 100 and the worker cat costs 120. What? Okay. Axecat. Yes, Axecat. I love Axecat. Also, I have to get this. Just have to. Every two levels I beat, I'm gonna use the speed up. Oh yes. free cat food if I look at that thing. Look at that majestic ground. Boom. God, come on. Alright. I have to get Axe Cat. Axe Cat. Why are you even here this early? I don't have red enemies. Yet. I do like what he turns into though. Also the head is gonna be really hard without RNG. RNGesus. I need 10,000. Oh. Level 5. Good thing the cats are so cheap. I need to get Walkout though. He has area attack. Oh. That also has area attack, but that sucks. Alright, next level I'm gonna use speed up. I lost all my progress, now I have to do everything again. But it doesn't matter. Boom. 5,000 XP. That's not that much. I actually don't remember what this guy is. Ninja Cat, yes sir. Oh my god. You're kidding me, dude. No. I'm not gonna use Cat God's ability just yet. Gonna save that for later when I get to the big boss fight. Also, I'm not gonna use Ghost Cat because he's gross. Okay, I know. I've been doing that. Man, this hippo is way stronger than I remember. Alright, you know what? I got an idea. Let him kill him. And right gets close. That Ghost Cat is still pretty weak. I'm not gonna use him in future levels. when I get to ELC 2 though. I'm not gonna use them still. It's too weak. Oh, capsule. Yes. Capsule. Yes. Yes. Okay, sure, I don't care. Oh my gosh. Alright. First, stop it. Stop. First, gamble on Epic Fest. Since I'm a beginner, technically, there's an even higher chance I get an Uber. But I didn't. I just got Bathcat. I don't give a shit about Bathcat. Oh my gosh, I got 2 garbage. Wait. Oh, yes! I'm gonna gamble. Fair fact, this part is pretty boring. Alright, so I got Ninja Cat from the wow, I'm getting these so easily. Alright, first let's keep gambling on Epic Fest because, well, I like Epic Fest. Well, obviously. Okay, it's one card, it's not that bad. I'm gonna use her now. And then cat food. Boom. Oh my gosh, just more garbage. I don't even have Far Future unlocked yet. Alright. Get back, I need energy. Alright, I did some adjustments to my loadout and got the energy recovery. Okay, I know, dude, I know. Yeah, I added Salon Cat and Ninja Cat. I love Ninja Frog Cat. I don't know why, but I'm obsessed with Ninja Frog Cat. And since I upgraded a lot of my stuff, everything's gonna be even faster. Well, not all my stuff. I don't like gross cat. He's gross. Easy. Next. This is so slow. Oops. I hope I don't accidentally press on cat gun. If I do that. Yep, Macho Cat. So good. I also like Ninja. And alright, so that I like Ninja Cat. It's also Halloween right now, so. Well, and the game is Halloween, even though Halloween's already over. Get out of my eyes. Yeah, boom. Boom. Man, I still remember the upgrade version of this. Paris cat. It's lagging. What is this one again? You bird cat? Oh no, this is bird cat. There's cat. I don't want cat. No. I'm not going to use that. Also, stop lagging. Bear back. Alright. I got flower cat now. Oh no, I'm running out of sorry. There. It is a time for the battle. Boom. Also, the reason why I'm not using Gagat is, why should I? I don't like Hellcat. Neither do I like Brainwashed or even Crazed Hellcat. Oh cool. Pigay. Or in Japanese. I'm not gonna say it. Wow dude, you are so strong. I totally don't have Brave Cat and Ninja Cat. Oh my gosh, how did that happen? Where did he go? He just disappears into thin air. I'm gonna continue this series. Wait, did I say this was a speedrun? Okay, I don't care. Did I say this was a speedrun? I think I did. Well, it doesn't matter. I'll continue the series like tomorrow because I'm running out of storage. So yeah, bye.